Hello guys, good morning. Today is August 15, Saturday. Time check 9:30 sa buntag. So, dieta karon sa Duero. Yan o. My only town. Matumi sa Camp Verde. So, dieta agi guys oh. Dia tagi. Kena. Nagyanan na. Akong kauban no. Brad. Ano tagi guys? 6.15 kilometers. Camper day. Okay. Ito tragianan. Pasak ka tani. Ako na ba ni kayo? San Pedro pa din yan, inapit na no? Nakanipi ka San Pedro. So, diretso tayo guys.
Oh, how easy it's to forget. Still thinking about how we met. Yeah, I'm with you now. Oh, one thing that it's plain to see, the best thing in this life's for free, and that's so true now. And there I was with my world falling apart, hoping just to get by. I played it by heart, and now I sing. I'm with you. I'm with you. Oh, we're cruising down to Mexico. I'm turning up the radio. 'Cause I'm with you now. You and me, we know that love is in the air, like the wind blowing through your hair. Oh, I'm with you now. I was waiting for the summer to end, thinking about the good times that we had. But I'm happy as can be. say when I'm with you now. Through the autumn and the winter snow, keep telling all the friends we know that I'm with you now. Remember when my world was falling apart and hoping just to get by, but without knowing it, I still play it by heart and sing. I'm with you. 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 I'm with you.
Lamig na yung hangin.
On our side, when I stayed home, I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find
May
my
buhay,
way.
Dakipan.
You got everything
Nabalik.
here, at least to stay alive, and the time that we share
Ibalik, Brad. Isa na dali.
got this place on our own. Do you feel that we got something strong? And I saw you walking the line,
Tagak na sa. Tagak na sa gilid. Oh, pangil guys, delikado.
that with you I feel alive.
Kaya. Ito yung Angilan guys, oh, yung papuntang Mount Labo. So, akyat lang tayo. Kaya kasi papunta tayo mag-birthday. Doon yung ano, yung sa diretso, Mount Labo yun. Yun yung daanan doon. Lapit na. Mainit pa pero yung hangin malamig. Oh, fresh air. Ganda ng hangin dito guys. Grabe. Whoa! Ganda talaga yung hangin sa probinsya. Kasi yung mga puno ba,
Wish that I could
presko sa
stay in this moment forever.
presko talaga.
So I can hold you in my arms. I will
Maliko-liko yung
carry
daanan dito.
you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Skip
Nadadaan
across
lang.
the Sunday of it.
Lapit na.
Deep in the gliding, liking for you is all I need.
Dati wala pa itong mga bahay dito, ngayon dami na.
I will do everything I can
Tataas na tayo ng
for you.
grabe. Ito yung parang man-made Paris guys, oh. Grabe kalamig. Wow! Ganda!
You will grow
Grabe! Puro puno dito guys.
and move out and beyond your own.
Ano? Puro puno. Lamig. Wow! Grabe lamig.
I will stay right here beside you
Bangwalog. Bangwalog. O, Bangwalog ang naibilong yung Camverde. Yan guys, oh. Grabing lamig na dito.
I will do everything I can for you.
Yan, oh. Oh, grabe man, mid-Paris. Yung sa baba, yan ah. So, delikado dyan, sa baba. Ganda. Ganda talaga ng Duero.
Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you.
Dito guys, so bangin. Yan. For safety, huwag kayong gumili dito sa gilid kasi delikado. Yan, malapit na tayo.
That I'll be fine. Just seeing you around, staying with the falling down.
Yan, daming puno na oh.
Now I hit the ground.
Kape.
You ask me how I've been. Now you see
So
that
guys,
I went
dito na tayo sa Camverde. So ito yung daan papunta doon. Akyat tayo doon sa taas.
forgetting about you. 'Cause you know I really tried to put my feelings to the side.
Inis pala oh.
Into the tide, but now it's bringing me back.
Ito yung daanan papunta ang Camverde.
I know,
Oh, damig.
let go, let it go.
So pagitna lang kayo pag dumaan dito kasi para safety sa inyo.
All these people in this crowd,
Daming puno.
I guess I used to be me.
So yan, dito na tayo na may hagdan guys.
I just wanna leave.
So ito na yung dead end part. Dito na kami, so iwan muna namin yung motor doon. So dito yung daanan oh. Yan. Set kami dito. So 5 years din bago ako nakabalik dito sa Camverde. Guys oh. Ito yung tour guide ko. Solid yan, daming alam sa mga view ng Bohol. Kontakin nyo lang siya pag gusto nyo. Facebook page, yung profile niya, Edward Abuganda. Search nyo lang sa Facebook. So dito na guys oh. Hindi ko iputol yung video para alam nyo yung daanan. Yan. So, ang lamig na dito. So, mga ilang step kaya to? 100 plus steps. Yan guys. Papawis din. One way lang kasi ito. Ito lang yung daan. Ito lang din yung pabalik exit. So ang daming spot din dito sa Duero. Meron din doon sa Duay. Yung paliguan ba? Kaliguanan. So maganda doon. Titingnan natin mamaya. Ito, so, puno. Malaki. Guys. Ito yung madaanan nyo pag pumunta kayo dito sa Camp Verde. Yan, mga butterfly oh. Yan. So, So, tingnan natin yung aerial view dito sa taas ng Camp Verde. Sobrang lapit na natin guys. Ayan oh. Kita na natin yung ano, ito yung parang tambayan ng tambay tayo dyan guys. Ito sus, ito yung sa baba. Dami palang bandal dito. Ayan. Yan guys, dito lang kami sa loob. Rene. Sino ba si Rene? Edgar Elias. So, labas tayo. Kaya tayo sa taas. Okay, so yan o. Kita nyo na yung hagna. Yan. Diyan yung hagna. Then ito guys, ito na yung Camp Verde. Yan o. Ganda dito, mahangin. Yan yung baba guys oh. Yan oh. Dito tayo sa baba. Kaya natin doon sa dulo. Ito na yung pinakadulo ng Camp Verde guys. Yan o, dito. Grabe ganda! So, dito na yung last natin video guys sa Camp Verde. So, abangan nyo na lang kami next video. Peace!